After opening the Opay app, you put your password. When it's logging like this, the interface will open like this. So you have Oride for bike, you have O-Trike for tricycle, the likes. This one is to transfer to, if you want to transfer money to anybody, to any other account or to other bank. This bank, this is to number. Then this one is to check your balance. So the balance will be displayed over here. You see my own, I have 15 naira there. So let me go back home and book my ride. So I click on whole ride. This is the map of where I am. So it will load up the location of where I am now. And if it doesn't load your location, you have to pick your own location. So let me do that now. Now you have to pick where you are going to. So I'm going to, I can't see how you go. Let me pick Amuloko. Okay, you see it has loaded. So if you look at it very well, you will see what? Sorry. You will see the price. These are the available bike man. You see the available bike man at my junction, and that pushes the location that I picked. This is where I'm going to, Amuloko, and this is the available bike. And if I'm to use Oride, I will pick this. If I'm to use O-Trike, the tricycle I will pay. So I'm to pay 10 naira, and they will pay the rider. They will pay him 464 naira. So let me request for a rider. Still searching for rider. Now, one rider that's picked it up, you see me now. How I call the rider. This will be the phone number of the rider. You can call the rider directly from here. This is the phone number of the rider. Or you message the rider. So, the rider has picked it up. So, let me go and meet the rider. Okay, I'm on the way to go and meet the rider. So, I'm looking at the rider in front of me over there. Let's go and look at how it will be. Thanks. So I'm with the rider now. We'll start the journey now.